Changing your bank account on Tempus AI is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth update. Step 1. Login. Access your Tempus AI account by entering your username and password on the login page. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option, usually found in the profile menu or dashboard. Click on it to proceed. Step 3. Select payment methods. In account settings, find the section labeled Payment Methods or Bank Account. Click on this option to view your current bank account details. Step 4. Update bank account information. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use AirSort to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new bank account information, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm the changes and ensure your new bank account is now linked to your Tempus AI account. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account information will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Tempus AI customer support for assistance.